have a full telephone? Oh, I mean,
It's at 15.
Woo! Dang. Holy crap.
I don't know. Looks like he's shooting at one of those cars.
What are you shooting at? There's a car there with the white barrel inside of it. Oh, okay.
There is a target in that car. That's what I thought. See, there's a target in that car.
That's still hot now. I don't know.
Yeah, it's... Into it better.
That was my 2 cents.
Oh, okay. You're done. All right.
You got it.